That was worth waiting for.
Look, but there's still a shelf up.
Yeah, there's still a shelf up in the cabinets. There goes the desk. There's Dan's desk. Crunch. Oh boy, look at that. And the chair, here's my chair. Look at the shelf. There's your extension cord, Ren.
They're the last thing standing.
They are, they're not coming down any easy. Look at that. Said that would be the last thing standing.
I've been saying that for years.
Heck's still standing in the middle there. I guess that's the wall of the bathroom. What the heck is that? The vent pipe. That's copper right there. They're pulling the copper out. That's worth a little money.